Hello guys, you're welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, Naija News and Entertainment. Bbnaija Lockdown. Kiddwaya slides into Erica's bed to console her while she wept over loneliness and losses in arena games. Kiddwaya slid into Erica's bed to console her while she cried, saying she feels lonely, doubting if anyone has her back and the continuous losses in the arena games. Erica, the finest, shed tears in her bed about loneliness in the house, though there are people living with her. According to her, she had two people she was talking to before she made her entry into the house, but everything has changed, though it's a game she feels alone. Her new hobby, Kiddwaya, slid into her bed to comfort her, saying, "You are strong, fierce, and passionate." Feeling bad about succumbing to the pressure in the house, crying, she said, "People want to be here in the house, and I am here, I'm crying." Kiddwaya urged her to let it out. The body needs to release what it needs to release, and when you are done, you'll feel better, he said. Wow, this is crazy, man. I don't know if she's looking for sympathy from Kiddwaya. It could be a strategy for her to get very close to Kiddwaya because they've been seen in very compromising situation these days. So let's see how it goes, guys. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section below. If this is your first time of viewing, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a story drops.